they're all the time saying, "I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna." I'm gonna means absolutely nothing in the real world. Um, when I had my students in my class and I made them produce a business plan and they would say, "I'm gonna," I, I would stop listening. I'm gonna means nothing. For a small business, start small. Don't don't go, I've got to wait till I've got this. I'm 4 years in. I just redesigned my website because it needed redesigning. And every 6 months, I'm gonna tweak that website. A website is never ever done. Just get over that. It's never done. It's good enough, but it's never done. And just do the work. Just like if you're a photographer, photograph. If you're a videographer, video, and learn how to sell it, learn how to take money. It's very, very important. Most of my students, whenever they'd go, "Oh, I'm in business with so and so, and we're going to do this type of business." And I pull out my wallet and I go, "Here's my credit card. I want to do business with you right now." And they go, and I go, "If you can't take money, you don't have a business, you have a hobby. A hobby doesn't make money." Um, so start small. That way, if you fail, you're going to learn something and you're not going to destroy yourself. Um, know your numbers. Know how much it costs to run your business. The number one person that you need to be able to pay is yourself. So if your expenses are $4,000 a month and your business brings in $3,000 a month, your business can't afford to pay its employees. You are an employee of your business. When you get a check for $1,000, $200 of it needs to go into a separate bank account to pay your taxes. It's not your money. It's the government's money. And if you don't think that the IRS can stop your business, you are dead wrong. They can stop any business, anytime, anywhere. All they have to do is say, "We think you owe us this much money. We're going to levy that and we're going to take your bank account." And that's the law. That's not something I just made up.
This is
It's the
brutal.
law. So be sure that you can do that. So if you're starting your business and your expenses are $4,000 a month and your business can generate $3,000 a month, that's a side hustle. And that's a perfect way to start your business, is a side hustle.